Hello there, David here, and welcome back to my channel for yet another video on the topic of home security. In this video, I'm going to cover a mobile app called zmNinja. It's available both on the App Store and on the Google Play Store. This app will allow you to connect to your Zoneminder installation, and you'll be able to view your cameras and your events from anywhere in the world. Let's get into it. Before I move on, you have to know how to set up dynamic DNS for your Zoneminder installation. In my case, I'm using DuckDNS on my Home Assistant, but DuckDNS can also be installed in Unraid. All this does is it exposes your installation's IP address. I currently have my DuckDNS address copied to the clipboard. Unfortunately, the only version of this app is a paid version on both Android and iOS, but it's less than $5. And when you consider the cost of all the other hardware that goes into the setup, this price is almost negligible. I completely wiped the settings of my app so that I could show you from the beginning how to set it up. Upon launching the app, we're greeted with a wizard. Here's where we're going to paste our URL. Then we're going to click next. And in my case, I use authentication. I use the Zoneminder authentication. And now I'm going to log in. After entering my username and password, I'm going to click next. And just like that, it found everything it needed. I'm going to click go to the login screen. Here's all the information for my app. I'm going to have most of this blurred out because I don't want my URL to be exposed. It's recommended to use the sync with cloud option. On iOS devices, there's a sync with iCloud option. I have set this up on an iPhone before, and the process is identical. Click save. Just like that, we're all set. My main use for this app is to use the montage feature. And here I have my 4 cameras. I'm going to increase the size so that I can see them all up and down. And here I have my 4 cameras. So next time I launch the app, they're all my cameras. And on this screen, the refresh rate is 1 frame per second. You could also look at the recorded events from this app. For example, here's a clip of me going to work. Here's a real-time test of what this looks like with Wi-Fi off. Now I'm on LTE. So the app almost loads just as fast as it does on Wi-Fi. And everything is still just as responsive. Once you know the basic configurations of this app, it's extremely easy to use. Go ahead and mess around with any of the settings, and if something goes wrong, run through the wizard again and you can set it up exactly how it was before. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, as it does encourage me to continue making these, and hopefully not take a 3-month break next time. Special thanks to all my subscribers. There's over 400 of you now. I could never imagine I'd get to this point. At 500 subs, I'll be giving away one of my push buttons, which can be used with any Sonoff device. Thank you to everyone who leaves comments on my videos. I try my best to get to them and to answer them in a timely manner. If you've made it this far, thank you very much. And as always, have a wonderful day.